Sawyer. Sawyer.
What?
Mom has to tell you something. Sawyer, I need you to listen. I have to tell you something. Last night, when you were sleeping, Mom and Dad ate all of your candy.
No.
We ate it all. We're sorry. We're very sorry. You worked so hard for that candy. Do you forgive us?